usual thing of like the government trying to get bread for everybody makes bread expensive. But
Yeah.
but yeah, but in general, the mechanism works. Even this, for example, which I didn't know it was the medical loss ratio, which is another point that I found interesting. I mean, I don't want to be jumping back and forth between companies, so I'll try not to do that too much. But when I was looking at it, I mean, a main thing for Oscar doing well was the medical loss ratio coming down towards 80%. But there's a
Mhm.
thing with the Affordable Care
This is
Act.
as a percentage. This is as a percentage of the total premiums received, right?
Yeah,
That
that's
this
just
chart right here.
basically this ratio here. It's basically their cost of medical claims and quality improvement costs, like their cost of claims
Yeah, yeah,
divided by the
divided by the
premiums.
premium.
So that means that only they're
Yeah,
spending.
actually, Oscars,
Uh-huh.
the one thing that when I was looking through it,
Yeah.
the one thing that kind of bothered me about them is that they have a lot of they pay out a lot of medical expenses. It's very interesting. I was comparing it to other like not health insurance, but other insurance companies, and
Right.
nobody, maybe healthcare is a little bit more expensive. Like
Mm.
they pay out way more, but other companies it's much less. Like that ratio that you're referring to, the medical loss ratio,
Yeah.
it's much lower than Oscar and
Well,
I
this
guess
is
other health insurance companies.
it ties back to this, which is like the Affordable Care Act requires insurers that are under the program to have, if it individual small group plans, to have an MLR, they have to spend this much. If not, they gotta give rebates to policyholders. So even the fact that if
Oh.
they become a large group plan or whatever that, or I don't know if large is like these are plans within the thing, but like they are forced to spend 80 to 85% of their premiums because they
Hmm,
depend on
that's
the
interesting.
Affordable Care Act. So they cannot really take
So
them
maybe that's
lower.
why they operate. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's why they operate at that level.
yeah, exactly. That's why they
Yeah.
stagnant here.